Up until now, if you wanted a dermal filler, you had to go to a clinic. You had to have it injected.
We have many people that come into our office that want facial rejuvenation, but really don't like to come in and have the amount of needles that they require, and also need to come back for the amount of every 6 months for touch-ups.
The benefit of Dermal Effects is that you're bypassing a needle to allow the same or similar effect through the skin without the risk of bruising, pain. The benefit is cumulative. So as long as you use it, you will see continued improvement with Dermal Effects.
The biggest problem we've always had is finding a good, consistent product that worked across the board and gave good results. When I first got Dermal FX, I was a little skeptical. The big problem in the past has been that the skin works well in what it's supposed to do, which is protect your body from the external environment. This new type of the microspheres that they're using with the ion particle microspheres, they're able to get through the actual pore size and deliver the product deeper into the dermis.
Dermal FX employs ionic nanotechnology, where we take complex molecules such as hyaluronic acid and collagen and wrap it in a molecular structure that allows these complex molecules, instead of staying on the skin, to penetrate through the pores of the skin. The molecular envelope is metabolized, releasing these dermal fillers, hyaluronic acid and collagen, and that is where that expands underneath the skin, absorbing water and pushing the wrinkle up. Up until now, you'd had to have an injection to achieve the same process.
There's nothing else in the market that is able to penetrate effectively transdermally.
Skin is a difficult organ to penetrate and is an effective barrier for other molecules to go inside.
What is very impressive about Dr. Modi is his track record. He has a number of patents to his name. He's come up with a novel technique of getting a product across the actual skin border. He stakes his name and reputation, which is quite large, on this product. So that, to me, is what is a driving factor in us using Dermal FX in our practice.
The facial gommage is an excellent product, and my wife, who has used products for years and years and years, says this is the best she's ever used. In my humble experience, I've met a lot of people in my educational process, and I believe that this gentleman is one of the smartest men I've ever met. I consider Dr. Modi the Henry Ford of cosmetology.
You're getting the results, and you can actually see that objectively with the skin biopsy. So really, the literature is out there stating and showing that the product works well.
I started using the Dermal Effects around my mouth area because I had some deep set lines around my mouth, and I started using the Dermal Effects around my mouth, and after 4 days, one wrinkle in particular was gone.
Dermal Effects was the only product that penetrated my skin, made it feel soft, fine lines diminished, and dark circles were gone.
A few colleagues have made the comment that my skin looks a lot more youthful, and that sort of those sort of comments, which is always nice to hear.
The beauty about using Dermal FX is that you can use it on your entire skin, because really that's where the entire problem is with aging, is that you lose hyaluronic acid throughout the whole skin, not just in specific areas such as the nasolabial folds, the marionette lines, the jawline, the nasojugal groove, and below the eyes where everybody comes in to be treated. You actually lose it throughout the whole skin. So really you always want to treat an area with what is the underlying problem that you're trying to address. And to me, that's the loss of hyaluronic acid through the skin. And if you can address that on the whole face, really that is an ideal treatment. With the proper guidance, people can get some excellent results. People want to have a product that works. People spend a lot of time researching and finding the right product, but a lot of the products, because of the nature of the skin, don't really give them the results that they're looking for. And with the technology of Dermal FX, I certainly think that there's going to be a very high amount of people that are going to have a reproducible and visual change, and that's really what everybody wants.
Unlike traditional creams and lotions and potions, you will see a direct benefit in a relatively short period of time.
Within a few days of using Dermal FX, my miracle in the jar was sitting in my vanity, and it works.
Well, in our experience, we've found that within as little as 3 to 4 treatments, which is 3 to 4 days, you can visibly notice that you have decreased fine lines and decreased darkness below the eyes. So to me, that is a pretty quick result for a transdermal product.
People have actually noticed and come up to me and said, "What have you done? Like, have you been away? You look so well rested. You look different." And I have to tell them that I'm using Dermal FX, and I've only been using it for 1 week.
You want to really maintain your skin. You don't want to just treat it when you're starting to notice wrinkles. You actually want to maintain the quality and health of your skin. So whether you're 20, 30, 50, 60, you're certainly going to always have an improvement when you increase the thickness and increase the hyaluronic acid in your skin. When I first used the Dermal FX, it certainly had a different consistency. I used the under eye stick because my nurses said I needed it, and then I used the night cream. So really within about 3 to 4 days, I was noticing quite a significant improvement in the dark circles under my eyes, and the texture of my skin and the cheeks really was becoming much softer, and the pore size actually seemed to be decreasing, so my fine lines were actually smoothing out.
My patients tell me that I'm looking younger. I've had people ask me if I've had cosmetic techniques done to my face, and quite honestly say no.
Both my wife and I have seen a tremendous benefit from this product, and I have friends and colleagues that I have given to overseas, and they can't get enough of it.
I like the fact that I'm holding off the aging process somewhat because I'm using Dermal FX.
Using Dermal FX has been a relief to me because it does what it says it's going to do, and I don't have to go and continually look for something else.
We've been very excited about the product. I have personally seen results with my own eyes. My wife enjoys the product and uses it all the time. So really, I think it's a great product, and it will work very well on both themselves and on your patients.